back to another interesting episode of unboxing, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of a microphone, and this is basically a clip-on microphone or a lavalier microphone. This microphone which I purchased from Amazon.com, I will be sharing the link in the description below. You can also check it out. So this is also called as a budget-friendly microphone. So friends, I'll do a quick unbox of this microphone, and later on in another video I am going to test how this lavalier microphone sounds like. This is a Boya VY M1 lavalier microphone, and I was looking for a clip-on microphone for quite a while because I have a shotgun microphone of Boya VY MM1, and that shotgun microphone is also pretty good. It gives me a decent audio quality. You can see the packaging is pretty decent, not that fancy. It comes with the features. It says clip-on microphone for smartphone, DSLR or camcorders. Okay, in the box it comes with an instruction manual. So this manual talks about how this microphone is and what are the components inside it and how to use it. So basically it's a usage guide, this microphone. Plus on the box there is a pouch where you can use this microphone to carry anywhere you on the go, and plus there is a silica gel also. There you go. So this is a microphone, and this is a condenser which you have to clip it on your shirt or t-shirt, and this is a cable. So this cable is pretty good. I would say the cable is pretty long. Okay. And then you have a clip so that you can attach. And then in the box you have another packet where it gives you a jack. And in the packet it comes with a battery plus a 3.5 mm jack that you connect it to a bigger equipment, plus a windshield so that you can connect this microphone to the windshield and avoid wind noise, and plus a clip-on. So this clip-on also in the box you have warranty card. Okay, so let's keep all this aside and connect the microphone. So to insert the battery, you need to open this. You have to insert the battery. So here is a slot where you need to insert the battery. So this way you insert the battery and just close it off. So this provides you two settings, in which one you have to adjust for your DSLR camera and another for smartphone. So if you are using this microphone with your smartphone, make sure it is set to the right direction. For DSLR you have to just move here, and for smartphone you have to move this side. The cable seems to be pretty long. It seems to be up to 6 meters, so you can stay away from your camera, I would say, quite a long distance, and 6 meters is actually very long. So you can stay away from your camera up to a decent distance and you can record a good quality audio. So friend, till now this much, and I am going to do a review into another video, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment for feedback, and I will see you in another video next time. Till then, keep rocking. Thank you very much.